Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. As you can see, my hair is looking super dry and crusty. So today I'm going to show you how I take care of my hair during the winter months using products from TréLuxe's new limited time bundle. TréLuxe offers an impressive selection of products designed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and safeguard your curls. If you're interested in any of the items featured in today's video or want to give them a try, don't miss their Black Friday sale. Be sure to check the link in the description below for more details. Starting off with one of my favorites, I could not live without this Aloe Vera Curl Primer. This product can be used as a pre-styler or refresher, but I prefer to use it as a pre-poo detangler. When my hair is built up with product and matted like today, a small amount of this will easily get rid of any knots or tangles. You don't need a lot at all. I just spritz my hair with a little water and smooth it on. In seconds, my hair is detangled and my curls are back. This primer is formulated with plant-based ingredients that help to smooth, detangle, and moisturize while also softening your curls to help extend your wash day. I've struggled with knots and tangles, and being that I'm extremely tender-headed, I hated the whole process of wash day. But what I love most about this primer is that it reduces detangling time and drying times, making wash day much easier for me. Having high porosity hair means my hair allows moisture to enter and escape easily. During the colder months, my hair tends to be more frizzy and dry. I also experience more scalp sensitivity, to where I don't want to touch my hair as often. Because of this, I tend to use more products than usual to make sure that my hair retains moisture. Using multiple products on high porosity hair is essential for achieving moisture retention, protection, and overall hair health. From my detangling process to my styling process, each product plays a valuable part in maintaining and keeping my hair and scalp soft, hydrated, and healthy. After applying the primer, it's time to shampoo. I like to take as much as needed of the Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse and massage that through my scalp and hair. The smell of this shampoo is very soothing to me. Although it's sulfate free, it has a very nice lather that makes it easier to further detangle and get buildup off of my scalp without leaving my hair feeling stripped of its natural oils. This shampoo is made with plant-based cleansing ingredients that gently lift dirt and residue from hair and scalp. Some of its key ingredients like slippery elm extract, coconut milk, and aloe vera help to deliver moisture, provide protection, and revive curls. I always give my hair 2 good washes and then wring my hair out with a t-shirt to prevent any frizz. To bring back some moisture to my curls, I'm going to deep condition with the Soothe and Restore Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. I take a small amount of this, and while my hair is still damp, I rake it through my hair and detangle with my tangle teaser till my curls are all coated evenly. This conditioner helps with dryness, breakage, damaged hair, and color treated hair, basically everything that I need. This is another favorite product of mine. Its smooth texture makes it easy to apply, but its plant-based ingredients bring back moisture to my curls while strengthening strands and improving hair's elasticity. I like to sit with this in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, then I'll rinse it out with cool water. The results don't lie, my hair is always so soft after using it. Now to style, I'll be using the Untie the Not Fragrance Free Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner first. I take between 2 to 4 pumps and smooth it in with my fingers, then I'll further detangle with my tangle teaser. This leave-in is lightweight and glycerin free. It includes botanical ingredients to moisturize and strengthen hair strands. On top of detangling, it preps for styling, increases manageability, leaves hair soft, and replenishes moisture. I've used this by itself several times and it works like a charm. It glides through my hair effortlessly, and I tend to grab for this when I'm doing a braid out because it's very lightweight, but it leaves my hair super soft. To add some extra moisture, I like to take the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This cream has a very nice, thick and creamy consistency, so if you have thinner hair, you don't need to use too much. With this curl cream, getting soft, moisturized, and defined curls is a breeze. This high quality cream is rich in natural oils and extracts that hydrate your hair and enhances shine. The innovative 360 Curls Complex ensures your hair stays moisturized while providing the ideal curl definition. It offers just the right amount of hold to keep your style intact, making it suitable for tightly coiled hair and for those with looser curls who prefer more moisture and less hold. To keep curls intact, I'm going to be using the high definition gel. Before applying, I make sure my hair is wet and then I take a small amount and rub it in my hands. I then rake it into my hair with my fingers and I use my Tangle Teaser to define my curls. I like to shingle my curls just to make sure each curl has product on it and to reduce the amount of frizz. I love that this gel is lightweight and also has a ton of slip, which makes it easier to distribute. It defines curls, but it's also moisturizing, giving curls a flexible, touchable hold. This gel not only shapes your curls, but it also keeps them defined for up to 5 days with minimal need for touch-ups. To lock in everything that I just did, I'm going to take as much as I need of the ReFlex Curl Styling Serum and apply it doing the praying method and also scrunching it into my hair. This serum is a silky, lightweight liquid styler that brings flexible hold to curly and wavy styles. It can be paired with other products or used on its own. It can also be used to refresh curls in between wash days. I always apply it after applying the gel to eliminate any frizz and flyaways and to give me some shine. Once I was done styling my hair, I sat under the dryer and diffused my ends. You can air dry if you prefer that as well. Once my hair dried, I stretched it overnight and this is how it looked the next day. I didn't really have much of a cast, but I did put some oil on my hair to help separate the curls. I loved how my hair came out. It's super soft while still having definition. My hair has a little frizz, which I already expected since my hair is so soft, but that doesn't bother me at all. Let me know what you guys think, and if you've tried any of these products, what are some of your favorites? I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.